Why does calibration matter in marine services? Ensures accurate performance and prevents failures at sea. Ensuring safer navigation is crucial for maritime operations. Reliable instruments like GPS, gyro compasses, and radars play a vital role. These advanced technologies help ships maintain their course, avoid obstacles, and ensure timely arrivals. With accurate data and real-time updates, navigators can make informed decisions, enhancing safety and efficiency on the high seas. Enhances equipment efficiency, saving both time and costs. Ensures compliance with maritime regulations for safety and performance. This includes regular inspections, thorough documentation checks, and adherence to international standards. By doing so, we guarantee the safety of crew members and the efficiency of maritime operations, preventing potential hazards and ensuring smooth sailing. Our experienced team of marine engineers is dedicated to providing top-notch services. Whether you need routine maintenance or specialized calibration, we are here to help. Reach out to us today to discuss your specific needs and ensure your marine equipment operates at its best.